Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, and we'll be working on Module 20, Lesson 3, which is Classify and Organize Quadrilaterals. So it says, I can classify and compare quadrilaterals. Spark your learning. Farmlands, when viewed from above, often look like they are divided into different polygons, including quadrilaterals. Look at the quadrilaterals shown. Make a list of 5 attributes that a quadrilateral can have, then write the number of each quadrilateral matching each attribute. So we're going to look at all these different quadrilaterals that are on the farmland, and we're going to find their attributes. So different attributes that I chose 5 different ones, and you'll see here 2 pairs of parallel sides, no parallel sides, right angles, and 4 sides of equal lengths, no sides of equal lengths. A 6th one, we could put 1 pair of parallel sides. So we could have 2, none, and 1. Right angles, no right angles. 4 sides of equal lengths, and then no sides of equal lengths. But it says to just choose 5, so these are the 5 that I chose for today. So I'm going to start by looking at number 1. What can I say about number 1? I can say that number 1 definitely is a quadrilateral. And to me, it looks like all same sides. So it looks like this side is the same as this side, the same as that side, same as that side. And I know that I have 4 right angles. So this quadrilateral goes under a few different categories. Number 1 goes into 4 sides of equal length, so number 1. It has right angles, number 1. No parallel sides? Yeah, it does. It does have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So just number 1 goes into 3 different categories, as you see. Then I'm moving on to shape 2. Shape 2 looks like a rectangle to me. So this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to that, so it has 2 pairs of parallel lines. It has 4 right angles, but not all the sides are equal. This side is not equal to this side. So yes, it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. It has right angles. It does not have 4 sides of equal lengths, but it doesn't have no sides of equal lengths. It has 2 sides of equal lengths and then another 2 sides of equal lengths. So it doesn't go into this category. Okay? Number 3. It's a weird looking shape, definitely irregular. Does it have any right angles? Yeah, it does. It has a right angle right there. So 1 right angle, not the same, not the same, not the same, all different measurements. Does it have any pairs of parallel sides? No, because if I continue this line straight, this line that's not straight is going to meet me and intersect. So all it has is a right angle and no sides of equal length. So number 3 is no sides of equal lengths, and it does have right angle, has 1. Number 4, up here. So again, very irregular shape. This is different from this. All the sides are different, but I do have a right angle. Do I have any pairs of parallel lines? No, this one and this one. If I continue this one like this, it's going to intersect. So no. So that is number 4. Has no parallel sides. Oh, actually number 3 too. So number 3 and 4 have no parallel sides, no sides of equal lengths, and it does have a right angle. So it does have a right angle. Number 5, right here. Again, we're looking for that right angle. This one doesn't have a right angle. Parallel sides, no parallel sides, no sides of equal length. So it's no, no, no. So 5 and 5. Let's do number 6. Another little tiny small rectangle. So I know if it's a rectangle, it definitely has right angles. So it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Yes, it does. No. Does it have 4 sides of equal length? No. Does it have no sides of equal length? That's not true too. Then we go to number 7. That's a perfect square. So I know that a square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. It has right angles. It has 4 equal sides of length. So that's what you would continue to do to classify and organize them. I'm going to go on to the second problem, which is build understanding, number 1. And it says, some quadrilaterals can be classified by more than one attribute. For example, a quadrilateral has 2 pairs of congruent parallel sides. What else has two pairs of pairs of congruent parallel sides? Well, a parallelogram. Parallelogram also does. Are all sides congruent? Yes. What else is all sides congruent? A rhombus. What about something that's all sides meet at right angles? Well, that would be a rectangle. All sides congruent and all sides meet at right angles, that would be a square. So to complete the diagram for build understanding number 1, these would be the missing shapes or polygons or quadrilaterals. Okay? All right, guys, so you're ready to go and start your assignment for today. Remember to look at the vocabulary words, think about the Kahoot game that we played, and other resources that have been attached for you to use last week while you're doing this assignment. Don't rush, take your time, and make sure you use all the resources available to you. Have a great day, guys. See you later on our WebEx call.